How to fix subscription button on Instagram not working. In order for you to fix this issue, the very first thing you wanna do is to head over to your application Instagram. Enter your login credentials and make sure that you are logged in into your specific account. Once you have been logged in, head over to your profile. Tap on this three horizontal line at the top right corner of the screen. Inside settings, scroll all the way down to the bottom and you should see the option of help. Click on it. Now tap on report a problem and then click on report problem without seeking. After that, click on don't include and continue. In this page, you have to state the problem that you have been facing on Instagram. Simply state that the subscription option is not showing up or working and then click on send. Within 24 hours, the issue should be fixed. If not, close the application Instagram and head over to App Store. Inside App Store, in the address bar, search for Instagram. Move into this app right here. If you see the option of update, then your application is not up to date and it might be the reason that you're facing the issue. In this case, simply click on update and update the app. Most of the time, updating the app has also fixed the issue, so you might be also good to go. So that's the end of the video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.